If you want to connect your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus to Wi-Fi using QR code, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Connections. Now under the connection settings, just tap on Wi-Fi, and from here just make sure you enable the toggle for Wi-Fi. Now after you enable Wi-Fi, at the top of the screen you will find the icon to scan QR code. Now just tap on this icon. Now from here you can scan any QR code using the camera of your tablet, and you can connect your tablet to Wi-Fi. Now for an example, this is a QR code of a Wi-Fi network. Now I will scan this QR code using my tablet. Now as you can see, it has scanned the QR code and our tablet automatically connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now just select Stay Connected. And this is how you can connect to Wi-Fi using QR code on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.